you want to bring in information from multiple data sources and you created a knowledge base, and that is something that can be made available for multiple agents that you my top priorities for the day. What is that I need to look into? How can I close my day as well? So let me just play this for you now before I close my day.
I am Ashwati from GeekConf. So we are organizing. We are the sponsors of this conference, the GeekConf. So this conference was like this is the third edition of this conference that we are doing, and today our topic is building AI first products. And I am from GeekConf, and I am like a sponsor of this particular conference. So like about us, we have been doing a lot of conferences. We have been in the open source and the community space for a while. So we are a 20-year-old company. So we have been like contributing a lot to the developer community, and so we have been organizing conferences, sponsoring conferences like the GeekConf. So this is the third edition of the conference, and so like we know, so today's world is mostly led by AI. So this is the like second AI conference that we are doing. The last one that we did was in December, and this is the second edition. So we have a lot of talks lined up on like how to build AI driven products, and I think like we had around 5 exciting talks about that, and we have a panel discussion also on top of it on like how to make sure that your product works on production and make it production ready, scale it and build. So this is about it. And also yeah, is
Yeah.
that yeah.
And I'm Atul. I'm also from GeekyAnts, a co-founder. And here today we have lot of people coming in from different companies like AWS, and we have talks from people from Microsoft. So everyone is building AI these days, and everyone wants to leverage the power of AI and want to build their product so that they don't lag behind. So this is something that's big, and it will be huge in coming days. Thank you. We are a 20-year-old company, and we don't want to miss this opportunity of taking uh, AI into consideration and build our products around it and help people bring their products up and build it faster.
So which product? What is the
So we are expanding into AI verticals a lot. We have built a lot of, our ecosystem is built around AI, and we are transforming a lot of different processes that we have inside. And also, we are trying to like build AI for our customers as well, where they can leverage the power of AI into their products.
okay? Madam, you are saying anything?
This conference is for the community. I mean, this is not like a paid conference. So this is a conference for people to build awareness around AI. So the thing is that like there is a lot of confusion. Like people are not sure on like the way forward with it. So we are just giving them a direction on like building the right products, how to scale it, and how to build on top of it. So that's one intent of this product. So as I was telling, like we have been doing a lot of conferences from the past 10 years. So now we have pivoted it to AI and AI driven products.
One minute. Asking question. Our company.
People were actually just using AI to build their products. Now we want companies to become AI first.
Okay. Okay. How is AI directly improving business outcomes?
Business of
AI directly improving business outcomes.
everywhere. Like people are building agents where they can ship things faster. They can do a lot of mundane tasks and give it to agents that they are building. So things that were taking around a month of time are probably people are doing it in a couple of days. So the outcomes are huge in terms of the time that they are investing into building things.
Okay, sir. Employment is going down after AI, no?
People right now have, and people, obviously are fearing of that, but actually AI is augmenting with humans and helping them reduce their mundane tasks and actually focus on something which is really useful.
Are the AI products solving real problems or creating hype?
Definitely they're solving real problems. AI is into, healthcare, into fintech domain, everywhere. AI is being introduced now.
Okay, when who is accountable?
So that's where that I was talking about human. AI is getting augmented with human. So the accountability still exists with the humans that are involved into the processes these days.
Okay, how do you ensure AI remains ethical and unbiased?
That's a problem that we need to solve, that other companies are also trying to solve these days. They are trying to put a lot of guardrails on top of the models that they are using, and based on that, the the ethics that people might want to bring in, that's coming through guardrails that people are adding to the models these days.
Can you explain about your AI-powered product engineering?
Thing that we have. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, sure. Or like building an app, the entire process has changed in the last 2-3 years after AI came into picture, right? So we introduced something called AI powered product engineering. We used to be known as a product studio. Now we are like a AI powered product studio, or I would say we provide AI powered product engineering services. So now there are like different type of sub offerings we have on top of it. One is that like we used to have, like people used to come to us and tell that okay, we have an idea, just like create or like build an app on top of it. Now there are like multiple tools available which can actually have them create something called a prototype, a workable version, I would say, to make it simple. So now they want us to take it, and now like after that they don't know like what to do, how to take it to the production, how to scale it with number of users. So we can help them actually take it to production, scale the product and make it market ready. So that's one of the offering that we provide. And there are a lot of companies where they have teams, I mean they want to use AI, they want to just scale it up, but they don't have the capability of like making AI native, or like making the engineers like native into AI. So we have this specialized engineer equipped with AI. I mean they use a lot of tools, they have that like they use AI efficiently to make sure that like the product is shipped quickly, or like they have more productivity.